48 hours about how undemocratic this process is going to be. Just like we heard about the teabaggers, just like we heard that, you know, your firstborn's going to be taken away from you and your guns are going to be taken away from you and all that. And the lies and the misinformation are going to continue to go on and on and on. This process does matter, and this process will be democratic, and the whole world knows that a vote is going to be happening on Friday, and it's going to be on health care, and it's going to be an up and down vote. But I want to tell you what the real process and what really matters to Americans. Too many Americans are being jerked around by the insurance company. Too many Americans are being jerked around by not being able to get health insurance. And what matters to them and what matters to their family is to be able to get affordable, accessible, guaranteed quality health care. And that's exactly what this bill is going to do. I ask people tomorrow, I don't know how many have already called Congressman Johnson's office. Raise your hand. If you haven't called, I'm asking you to make another call tomorrow. And I'm asking you to also get a friend, a neighbor, to make a phone call also into his office. Also on Saturday at 10:30, from about 11:30 to 12, out in front of the Illinois Hotel and Conference Center, there's going to be a little broader coalition of groups there. Karl Rove is going to be in town, and depending, there may be some other very large individuals who are opposed to fairness and are opposed to the shared opportunities and shared responsibilities that we all believe in are going to be there. And folks are going to be out in front there talking about health care, talking about jobs, talking about war, talking about a lot of different issues there. And just asking folks, if you have an extra half hour, 45 minutes to an hour, if you can show up, that's just south of the Assembly Hall. You can either park at the hotel there or park across from it. We'd appreciate to be there. Also, in about 3 or 4 weeks, I know our Faith Caucus is doing their Sound the Alarm event again. And this time we're going to be ringing bells in celebration and wanting to be sure that implementation does happen. Because I'll tell you right now, in 35 states, there's legislation in there to try to repeal this bill. And, you know, they're trying to think it's unconstitutional. You know, we all know it's wrong, and we all know it's not going to go anywhere. But that's the tactic they're going to do. So not only all the hard work that so many of us have done for 14 months, you know, we're still going to have to, you know, we can kick our shoes off and we can jump up and down and take some pots and pans out and bang them on Sunday. But we're going to have to continue this fight and not allow the misinformation that I know Congressman Johnson and other people are doing. I want to thank you all for your ongoing fight. And I hope all of you, if you've got a half hour, 45 minutes, we hope to see you on Saturday morning, this Saturday from beginning at 10:30 to about 11:30. Thank you all very much. And also, if you haven't signed, please sign in so you can get our listservs and be able to keep